This one is for all of you lovers out there. Today, we're going to be making a mojo bag to attract love. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create a mojo bag specifically to attract love. Whether this is for existing love, if you want a new relationship, or strengthen the relationship that you are already in. P.S. You can also use this love mojo bag to increase self-love. Keep watching so that you can see how to create your own love mojo bag.
Mojo bags are small pouches filled with specific herbs, crystals, and other symbolic items. They are believed to carry magical properties and help manifest intentions. Today, we're focusing on creating a mojo bag for finding and keeping love. To create our mojo bag, you'll need a small pouch or mojo bag. You can use red or pink to attract love. Next, let's talk about herbs. Rose petals, lavender, jasmine, cinnamon, cloves are all great choices when it comes to attracting love. You can use a combination of them like I did, or you can simply choose one or two that are your favorite herbs when it comes to love. You'll definitely want to add some crystals too. Rose quartz is a perfect choice. You can also add something personal, like a lock of your hair or a small photograph, as well as symbols of love, such as a heart-shaped charm or love-related amulets. I decided to add a ring. Before we start assembling our mojo bag, it is essential to cleanse and charge our supplies. This ensures that they are free from any negative energy and aligned with our intention. You can cleanse them by smudging them with sage or passing them through the incense smoke. In my case, I decided to cleanse my supplies using Palo Santo. For charging them, you can leave them under the light of the moonlight overnight or place them on a selenite charging plate. Since our intention is to attract love or increase love within ourselves or our relationship, I decided to add a small hugging lovers candle. This candle will help strengthen your intention, and it's great to burn as you prepare your bag and you activate it to bring in that love. Now that our supplies are cleansed and charged, let's assemble our mojo bag. Take your mojo bag and fill it with a small amount of each herb that you chose. As you add each ingredient, focus on your intention and visualize the love you desire entering your life. Next, place your chosen crystal into the bag. The crystal will amplify the energy of your intention. Now it's time to add your personal item. Place your personal item like a lock of hair or a photograph. In my case, I did the ring. This creates a stronger connection between your intention and the bag. Be creative and add items that resonate with you personally. To complete your mojo bag, seal it tightly. You can use a knot. Like you see, I like to tie my mojo bag 3 times. But you can also use a red ribbon or even sew your mojo bag shut. As you close the mojo bag, envision your intention being sealed within and protected. Finally, hold the mojo bag in your hands and speak out loud or silently affirmations related to love. May this mojo bag radiate the energy of love. drawing in the right person who will love and cherish me unconditionally. I trust that the universe will guide us together in perfect timing and divine alignment. This activates the bag, infusing it with your energy and intention. Your Mojo Bag for finding love is ready. Carry it with you wherever you go. You can also place it in your purse, pockets, or under your pillow while you sleep. The key is to keep it close to amplify its energy. Remember, every now and then, connect with your Mojo Bag and visualize your desires and reinforce your intention.
Remember, the Mojo Bag is a very powerful tool, but ultimately is your intention, your self-love, and your actions that would also help you attract the love that you seek. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed our video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our magical content. And why not go ahead and share it with a friend. Leave me a comment on what videos you'd like to see next. And remember, stay positive, stay blessed, and stay original.